Hi, welcome to Future Techno's. Xiaomi may have just pulled off one of the smartest moves in tech history. If you're thinking about buying smart glasses in 2025, you're going to want to hear this. While the world has been focused on Ray-Ban Meta, glasses and other expensive models, Xiaomi has quietly released something that changes the game. They've created a pair of smart glasses that cost less than half of what Meta charges. But here's the wild part. They're lighter, more comfortable, smarter in key areas, and more practical for daily use. Most people don't even know they exist. That means you're about to get an insider's look at something that could save you hundreds of dollars while still giving you superior technology. I'm not saying these are perfect. They do have some downsides, and I'll go over those later. But right now, I want to break down exactly what they can do, the good and the not so good, so you can decide if they're the right fit for you. When Xiaomi's CEO introduced these glasses, it didn't feel like just another product launch. It felt like a declaration of war on the entire smart glasses industry. They directly tackled the biggest complaints people have had for years. The heavy weight that makes glasses uncomfortable after a few hours. The battery life that dies when you need it most. The clunky AI that feels more like a gimmick than something useful. Xiaomi didn't just make small improvements. They rethought the whole approach. Instead of following the trend of adding more and more features, which often leads to bulky and overpriced products, they asked a simple question. What do people actually want from smart glasses? The answer wasn't more features. It was better execution of the important ones. And that's exactly what they focused on. The first thing worth talking about is the camera system. This is where Xiaomi's engineering really stands out. The glasses have a 12-megapixel camera with a large aperture, which means they can capture bright, clear images even in less than ideal lighting. They record in 2K resolution, which is sharp enough for professional-looking content. But the real genius is in the recording format. The glasses shoot in a 4.3 aspect ratio, which lets you crop the same video into both 16.9 landscape for YouTube and 9:16 vertical for TikTok or Instagram without having to shoot twice. This alone makes them a great tool for content creators who need to post across multiple platforms without wasting time. The image stabilization is also impressive for a device this small. People who have tested these glasses for weeks have said they handle walking and light movement with ease. Rapid side-to-side head turns can still cause some shake, but that's more a matter of physics than a design flaw. Even high-end action cameras have the same challenge. Using the camera is simple and fast. A quick press takes a photo. A long press starts video recording. You don't have to pull out your phone, unlock it, and fumble with an app while the moment you wanted to capture disappears. Whether you're driving, cooking, playing with your kids, or simply have your hands full, these glasses can capture the moment without interrupting what you're doing. It's important to note that these aren't AR glasses. There's no built-in display, no holograms, and no digital overlays. They're focused on being great at audio and camera functions, which is a deliberate choice. And honestly, for many people, that makes them more practical. Now let's talk about AI. Xiaomi made a bold but smart decision here. Instead of trying to fit all the AI processing into the glasses themselves, they rely on your phone's power. That means the AI features require your phone to be connected, but you get better performance and longer battery life because the heavy processing isn't draining the glasses directly. The integration is smooth. The glasses connect seamlessly to Xiaomi HyperOS AI Assistant, but they can also work with other AI platforms, including ChatGPT through your phone. Thanks to a 5-microphone array and dual speakers, you can have hands-free conversations with AI while you're walking, exercising, or working without needing to touch a screen. The translation feature is functional, though it's not perfect. There's a slight delay, and the accuracy can vary depending on the complexity of what's being said. Still, for basic travel and quick conversations, it works well enough. Another AI feature that stands out is visual recognition. If you look at something and ask the glasses what it is, they take a photo, process it, and tell you. This could be especially valuable for people with visual impairments. Comfort is where Xiaomi really shines compared to the competition. The standard version weighs only 40 grams, which is significantly lighter than most other smart glasses on the market. Even if you add prescription lenses, bringing the weight to about 54 grams, they still remain comfortable for all-day wear. The design is carefully considered. While the frame shape is optimized for Asian faces, the classic square style suits a wide range of face shapes. The semi-transparent frame options allow you to see the internal components, which gives them a unique high-tech appearance without making them look like a piece of lab equipment. One detail that may seem small but is actually important is the nose bridge. It's designed to avoid pinching. If you've worn heavy glasses for long periods, you know that sharp, uncomfortable pressure point that builds over time. Xiaomi eliminated that issue, making these far more wearable for extended use. The audio experience is also excellent. The open-ear speakers use what appears to be bone conduction technology, letting you hear music, calls, and AI responses without blocking out the sounds around you. This is not only more comfortable for long listening sessions, but also safer in environments where you need to hear traffic or other people. The sound quality has impressed even skeptical users, with some saying they prefer it over AirPods Pro for daily use because it avoids the isolated feeling that can be uncomfortable in busy areas. Battery life is another area where Xiaomi made smart, practical choices. You get about 8 hours of mixed use, which is enough for a full day in most situations. Continuous video recording lasts 40 to 45 minutes, which is strong for a device of this size. Most people aren't recording nonstop, so in real-world use, the battery lasts all day without trouble. Here's a clever touch. The charging cable has an angled connector, allowing you to charge the glasses while wearing them. With a small power bank in your pocket and the cable tucked under your shirt, you can keep them running indefinitely without looking awkward. The electrochromic version adds another layer of practicality. It lets you switch between 4 tint levels with a simple swipe on the touch-sensitive area of the frame, turning them into sunglasses instantly. It's not just a cool feature. It's genuinely useful for people who move between indoor and outdoor environments frequently. Of course, no product is perfect. The AI features work best in Chinese, and while English support is there, it's not always flawless. Translation has a slight lag, and visual recognition, while impressive, isn't something everyone will use every day. There's no built-in AR or display. So if that's important to you, you'll need to look at other products. And while the build quality feels solid, this is still a first-generation product with software that will continue to improve over time. The price is where Xiaomi makes its most aggressive move. The standard model costs around $280, putting it far below most competitors, while still offering features that are equal or better in several important areas. The electrochromic version costs more, but it's still priced competitively compared to premium options from other brands. So who should buy these? If you're looking for a lightweight, comfortable pair of smart glasses with a good camera, clear open-ear audio, functional AI, and a price that doesn't break the bank, these make a lot of sense. If you're expecting full AR capabilities, perfect AI accuracy, or luxury materials, you might be better off with other options. The Xiaomi AI glasses show that smart glasses don't need to try to do everything. Sometimes focusing on doing the basics extremely well creates a better product. Overall, these glasses are a practical, well-thought-out piece of tech that delivers where it matters most. They're not for everyone, but for the right user, they could be the smartest purchase of the year. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss the latest updates.